Take a 10-page single-spaced project brief. Now compare that to the polished, board-ready slide deck you need to deliver tomorrow morning. The labor required to move between those two formats is where most of your production time is lost. This physical transformation, a monolithic block of text shattering and reassembling into a structured architectural blueprint, maps directly to an autonomous AI agent inside PowerPoint. To run this process, you need a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, access to the Frontier program's agent mode, and a source document to provide your raw data. A common failure point is opening a blank presentation and asking the AI to start building. Doing so strips away your corporate context and results in generic, off-brand slides. Producing professional results requires a structured corporate framework and your strategic supervision, utilizing the AI as a multi-step design assistant rather than a simple text generator. The process begins by opening your official company PowerPoint template before you issue any prompts. This step anchors the AI in your specific visual identity. Isolated nodes, calendars, documents, and emails link to a central Work IQ core, connecting AI to your data. As this funnels into a slide grid, the AI scans the slide master to map corporate fonts, colors, and layouts. When you ground a prompt in a template, the AI adheres to these rules automatically. Without it, the model simply guesses at your design preferences. By starting within your brand template, the AI operates as a brand-compliant corporate asset instead of a generic designer working in a vacuum. To start the build, we give Copilot a specific command: create a 10-slide strategy deck using this linked Word document. First, it digests the source document. Next, it extracts the core argument. It chunks the argument into topics. Each topic maps to existing layouts. Corporate colors are applied to backgrounds. It populates text into layout placeholders. It inserts required structural agenda slides. Finally, it drafts a summary slide. Because all these mechanical steps happen instantly, your role shifts from a manual creator to a high-level editor. Initial drafts often contain dense, overwhelming bullet points that distract your audience. You can address this by using the dynamic action button. Command the AI to transform text into a visual process flow. In this visualization, a solid, uneditable image block shatters into distinct, selectable vector layers. Unlike a static image, the resulting diagram is built using native PowerPoint shapes, meaning every element remains fully editable. This ensures you retain total control over the output, allowing you to manually adjust the logic or fine-tune the text before you present. Generic placeholder images often lack the specific nuance required for an internal or client-facing deck. You can instruct Copilot to swap a placeholder with an official image securely pulled from your SharePoint organization asset library. The AI retrieves your approved product logo and places it on the slide automatically. You can then use the inline designer editor to refine the asset, for example, removing the background from the logo without leaving PowerPoint. Accessing your secured corporate libraries within the AI workflow keeps you inside the application and ensures every visual element is approved for use. Once the draft is complete, you must review the structural narrative of the entire deck to ensure it aligns with your strategic goals. You must also perform a strict manual check of all numerical data. AI-generated figures must always be verified against your original source. This chaotic clockwork mechanism snapping into a sleek, forward-moving gear illustrates the impact of automating layout and brand compliance. By removing manual formatting, you significantly reduce production time. To practice this, take a repetitive task, like your next weekly status report, and use agent mode to build the initial draft. Eliminating the toil of manual formatting allows you to focus on the more important work of strategic storytelling.